Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a special stitch motif. The special stitch used here is the side puff stitch, worked in a different way. Okay, so this particular motif I made with my 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn from Magic Needles, branded as Hobby Store. And it's a 5-ply yarn, and I used my 5 mm clover crochet hook. So it's very nice to work with these clover hooks. They make your projects run faster and complete faster too. Okay, without wasting much delay friends, let us go into the video and learn how to make this particular motif. Chain 29. I have chain 29. Now for row 1, place 1 single crochet in each of the chains all across. So you will have 28 single crochets. So 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and it is preferred that we work the single crochet in the back bumps. So complete the single crochet row. Completed the first row of single crochets. Row 2 is again same as row 1, placing of single crochets in each stitch across. So you can chain 1 and turn, or directly turn, pull up the loop to the height of a single crochet and place a single crochet in the very first stitch. This will give a finer edge for the other sides. So place 1 single crochet in each stitch across, each SC across. So I shall complete this row and get back. Completed row 2. Now chain 3 and start, otherwise turn and place the first double crochet in the very first stitch. Pull up the loop to the height of a DC. Now at the ends we are going to have, excluding this DC, place 1 DC each on each of the next 2. One in each. Now we are going to make a special stitch called side puff stitch. So to make the side puff stitch, we need 2 double crochets as the base. Around the post of these 2 double crochets only we are going to work the side puff stitch. So having made this, yarn over, insert around the post of both the double crochets, pull out the loop, insert the hook again, pick up the yarn, pull out, yarn over, insert again. So we will have 7 loops on the hook now. Now we are going to do away 3 at a time. So yarn over, pull through 3 loops, first 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops. So the side puff is made. Now place 1 DC in each of the next 2 stitches, one in each of them, 1 DC each. So again, one side puff stitch. So the base is made. Yarn over, 1 time, 2 time, 3rd time. Yarn over, pull through 3, pull through 3, pull through 3. So continue the stitch pattern till the end. 2 DCs, a puff, side puff, 2 DCs, side puff. Continue till the end. I've completed the last side puff. Now it's time to place the DC. So in the last, there are 3 stitches left. Place 1 DC in each of them. Now for row 4, chain 1 and turn, and place a half double crochet in the very first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next, 1 half double crochet in the next. So in the first 3 stitches we are placing 1 half double crochet. Now place 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2. Skip the next stitch here and place 1 half double crochet in each of the next 4, 1 in each. Skip the stitch, again 1 half double crochet in each of the next 4. Continue this till the end. So at the end of the row here, do not complete the last stitch, join in new yarn, color B. And secure it with a slip stitch. Just put a chain. Just make a chain and secure it. Turn your work. Now again this row is going to be a puff stitch row, side puff stitch row. So you begin with placing the first DC. So 1 DC in each of the next 2. Now we are going to make side puff on these 2. So we need 2 double crochets. Then make the side puff. And yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, and yarn over, pull through 3. So again place 1 DC in the next and 1 DC in the following stitch 2. Next, over the next 2 stitches you're going to make the side puff. So this is the pattern repeat for this particular row. Completed. I shall complete and get back. Come to the end of the row here and I have placed my last 3 DCs. Now it's time to fasten off color B and join color A. So what we do, we don't complete the stitch but we join color A. Secure this both with a chain and fasten off color B. Turn your work and place 1 half double crochet in the very first, 1 in second, 1 in third. And then place 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 each in each of them. Skip this stitch and place 1 half double crochet in each stitch on next 4 stitches. That is 1 each on the DCs and 1 each on the base for the side puff. Then we skip the stitch that we did for the side puff and carry on. This is similar to the previous HTC row we did. So complete this HTC row. I shall complete and get back. Completed the half double crochet row. Now the next row is your puff stitch row. Row 7 is your puff stitch row, side puff stitch row. So yarn, chain 3 and turn, or it's better to make a standing twisted double crochet as your first double. Yeah. Then as usual, one double in each of the next two. This is where we begin our puff stitch, side puff stitch set. So over these next two we are going to make the base double crochets. And work our first side puff of the row. So row 7 is same as row 5. So complete the side puff stitch row, and row 8 is again a half double crochet row. So same as row 6. Continue till row 8, complete it and get back. I shall also complete and get back. I've completed row 8 and this is how this piece looks. We can hide this end yarns later, or as you work you can hide it, it's up to you. Now for rows 9 to 16. So 9 to 12 is same as 5 to 8. Again from 13 to 16 is same as rows 5 to 8 working. Rows 5 is this color B. Row 6, 7, 8 is HTC, puff, side puff, HTC with color A. Again row 13 is with color B, one single row of puff stitches. Then continue HTC row, side puff stitch row and HTC row with color A. And for row 17 it is same as row 2, which is a single crochet row. And then we fasten off. So let us complete up to row 17 and get back. Completed row 17. This is how the piece looks. This can be customized to any width and any length. It's a beautiful stitch and it gives us a textured stitch effect. These side puffs give a different angled view. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you happen to be the first time viewer of our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. Have a great day friends. Bye for now. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.